There is a unique kind of energy on campus this spring. We've begun an exciting conversation about the future of our campus footprint. One of our top priorities is a new academic building, and last month we held our first Innovation Accelerator Design Workshops. We gathered ideas and imagined what our next building could do to strengthen interdisciplinary exploration and student-faculty research over the next 20 years. We explored how this new building could become a cornerstone of the college's long-term success by providing modernized physics, chemistry, and interdisciplinary laboratories in classrooms, as well as a home for our Innovation Accelerator. A vision is emerging, and early ideas included things like a sky lab for quantum mechanics, astronomy, and community engagement. Suggestions for interdisciplinary approaches to physical research with in silico models. Modular spaces that adapt to everything from art classes to chem labs to student clubs. High-performance computing resources and windows that invite the community to watch innovation in action. This building will create a space that supports cutting-edge research and teaching. It will also tell the story about Harvey Mudd's distinctive approach to interdisciplinary science and engineering and how we educate the next generation of leaders to address the greatest challenges facing humanity. Harvey Mudd College can continue to deliver STEM for a better world in the decades to come. Let's build that future together.